chicken.
Meet Kiwi. The 2-year-old Indian ringneck parakeet from Dartmouth, who quickly rose to internet fame after his owner posted a video of him on TikTok that went viral.
So the first video that I posted about him was the first time he ever told me he loved me. I love you. I love you. And that went crazy. And so from there, we got the TikTok up to 2.5 million followers, and then I just started a few months ago my YouTube adventures.
Their YouTube channel, Tamara's Blue Chicken, has 300,000 followers and has earned them a YouTube Creator Award. Mercer says their content brings his fans an immense amount of joy and says people will turn to their social media pages when they're having a bad day.
Just because he's so positive and loving, and it definitely puts a smile on their face, and that's just ideally what we want to spread is just positivity and love. I love you.
Kiwi can also give high fives, call their family dog, and most recently has learned how to wave. And his impressive vocabulary is roughly 100 words.
He'll come close to my mouth and he'll put his beak on my lips. So he'll just like that, and then I'll speak and he'll eventually pick up the words.
Mercer has recently started selling Kiwi merchandise, which has been wildly successful. Kiwi plushies and keychains with his infamous sayings are sent to places like Malaysia, Spain, and Australia, to name a few.
It's so exciting to see the amount of, the places where people have watched Kiwi to the point that they would get the merch of Kiwi. It's mind-boggling.
Mercer says she fills orders daily to keep up with the requests in what has now turned into an unlikely business venture. Amber Fryday, Global News, Dartmouth, Nova Scotia.
I think you've had enough. Oh no! What happened? I love you. I'm going to get your beak. I got your beak. Oh my. Thank you. You're so cute.